In this lecture, we're going to show how to create a multiple sheets. If we look down here, we have only one sheet, this one. We can create and we can add here as many sheets as we want with different views. We can also right click on this sheet. We can delete this sheet. We can rename this sheet. So let's go down and let's click here, add sheet. And now we added a new sheet. We have the same format size as we used in the sheet 1. So we can go to view layout, model view, and we can now insert the same part or some different part, depends what we want. So let's insert this part, and now we can have here a different views. For example, isometric view. Let's put him here like this, and we can also right click, go edit sheet, and we can change the title. We can change this to part 2, for example, and edit sheet. Also, we can change the name. We can right click here and rename. Now let's call this sheet 2, like this. And this is how you can have in the same drawing file multiple sheets. And this is how you can add more sheets into the same drawing file. And on those sheets you can insert different views and different parts.